Good morning students, myself Parish Pakchandani. Today again we are here to discuss another chapter of accounts of standard 12th. In your accounts part 1 you have been given total 7 chapters. In that today we are going to discuss chapter number 5. Name of the chapter is admission of a partner. Many times business used to admit new partners for various reasons. Normally in your question pattern you will be given old partners, there will be 2 old partners and 1 new partner will be added in the partnership form. New partner can be added for various reasons. The major reason for admitting a new partner is requirement of capital. Business firm may require additional capital for expanding their business. Second, for having a managerial efficiency, new partner may be added. For example, 2 partners who were already working in a partnership firm, they are unable to carry out all the business activities. So for that, they may admit 1 new partner for their administrative purpose, that is for their management purpose, for doing all the management work. Next, if any partners wish to expand their business, they wish to start any new venture, they want to start a new business premises. For that also they may require some person for handling that new premises. For that purpose also they may be admitting a new partner. Sometimes it may happen that out of old partners, any of the partner may retire voluntarily or there can be a death of any partner. So for fulfilling that requirement, the work of that partner have to be carried on by any other partner. So we have to admit new partner who will be working in place of that previous partner who was died. For that also we can be adding a new partner. There can be any more reasons for admitting new partners. New partners can be added for a special purpose only. There, if any partner is there who is having somewhat special skills or special characteristic which can be beneficial for our business, so we can be adding that partner in our partnership firm. These are the various reasons of admission of a partner. For these many reasons we may be admitting our partners. For new expansion also we can be adding partners. You people might be having a query that for additional work we may appoint an employee. But employee is after all an employee only. He will not be working as compared to a partner. When partner is getting a share in profit, he will be encouraged to work more. But an employee would not be that much encouraged because he is going to receive a fixed salary. So he will be working with some confinements, means some limitations he will be working. As compared to partner, his efficiency cannot be compared. So we are admitting a new partner for that management work. For our chapters, you will be asked in your board examinations 1 VSQ from this chapter and 1 questions of 8 marks in section E. In the question of 8 marks, you are supposed to prepare 4 accounts. The first account is a revaluation account, second account is a partner's capital account, third account is a cash account, and fourth account is a balance sheet. Fourth is actually a balance sheet, that is not an account. So these are the 4 specimens, 4 accounts which you are supposed to draw as a part of your answer. Sometimes in boards you are asked the journal entries of this chapter. You can easily understand journal entries. First you learn to prepare how to prepare these accounts. Afterwards preparing entries would be somewhat easier. From this revaluation account we have already discussed in our previous videos, that is in chapter number 4, reconstruction of partnership. In that I have given you the specimen for revaluation account. The same revaluation account will be prepared in this chapter also. So first is a revaluation account, second is partner's capital account. Sometimes we may prepare partner's current account instead of partner's capital account. Along with that, partner's capital account will also be prepared. So if in the question you have been given a balance of current account, you have to draw 1 more account. We are supposed to prepare 1 more account. And third, cash account and balance sheet are going to remain the same. So this is all about the briefing of this chapter. The specimens of partner's capital account, cash account and balance sheet, how to draw that, what items will be included in that will be given to you in the pictures henceforth. Thank you.